Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a beehive cake. To start off, I bake a 10-inch moist chocolate and vanilla cake. So this is a huge cake that can cater up to 20 people. I added chocolate ganache and vanilla buttercream icing on every layer. So I call this chocolate vanilla layered cake. As usual, this is a 4-layered cake. Then I added boba straws. These are sturdy plastic straws to support the cake. I then crumb coat the cake. Then chill it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then cut another wooden dowel to support the top of the cake. Then I added another moist chocolate dome cake. Add another layer of buttercream icing. Smooth it out. And chill for another 10 to 15 minutes. I prepared some yellow buttercream icing to cover the cake, so I used a round nozzle. I use gel colors like Americolor or Chef Master. Perfect! Chill again for another 10 minutes. I already prepared some fondant decors on this cake, so I added some honeybees. Oh, that's so cute. A little door at the front and some dedication at the bottom. And don't forget to put some edible flowers too. I then paired with cute little cupcakes. And there you have it, so simple and easy. If you want to see more of my creations, you can check on my Instagram and Facebook page. The link is on the description box, so check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye!